Yes, good day. This is NJ, the plumbing technician, back again with a quick unboxing of the Extreme Power US Demolition jackhammer. As you can see here, this is how the box look. This is the hinges, the hinges in the back here, the lockers. Hinges will have steel in it, plastic, nice plastic case, not durable as the others, but holds the tool inside perfectly. The box also comes with some wheels. Well, the wheels not too wholesome, but we see how that go. So as you can see here, this is the Extreme Power US Demolition jackhammer. This one is 2,800 watts. Is the manual. Well, in this case, you get 2 gloves when you do the purchase. Don't think checking to see if it will fit my hand. May not, because I have some large hands. Get a bottle to fill the oil, because this unit uses oil, so you could use like car oil. So they said a 40 body oil. So I have some oil downstairs for my van, so I think I want to use this in the machine. Now, machine also comes with a dust mask from Extreme Power itself, branded on it. Also, safety glasses from the same company that makes it. Now I look on YouTube, I was looking around for a demolition hammer for concrete, and I came across this, and I see a lot of people was using it, so I decided to purchase it, and I will see how it works when the time comes. Now with the unit itself, you can get 2 bits. This one, dig it out, a nice big heavy duty bit. See how it is? Star. And it comes with another bit. Open it. Working with one hand. And you get a nice big flat bit. See? Right. So I have 2 bits there. And big, oily. So this is the big boy here. Extension, of course, it's a 110 unit. So I'm going to take it out. For those who don't have the strength, I don't think this is a unit to purchase, because this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. I'm sorry about that. One hand, one camera, no stand right now. So I'm trying to do everything with one hand. So this is the jackhammer here. 120 volts. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. 60 Hertz, 2800 watts, 1800 beats per minute. That is every minute in pack. So you get 1800 within a minute. So this unit Comes with a nice piece to the bottom here, plastic. It seems durable. Switch on and off with a locker. In this area is where you put in the oil. I recognize that it already has some oil in it, so just to make sure that I have oil, I will top it up, and then it comes with a spanner. And there's the spanner for it, so when you're changing the oil, and of course I think I showed you the bottle before, which is, this is the bottle. Now, this part here is what goes on to tighten the handle. So that part to tighten the handle. Now of course most people know how these equipment work, so let me just tighten the handle and put in a chuck for you. Don't even know if this thing tightening. This thing is so funny. Oh, on the other side spinning, so I'll have to take a look at that after. And this is the chuck. Now, there's the inside looking in the chuck. The chuck have a piece here where one side is flat, and when you spin it, the other side is the full circle, which locks the bit. So, putting in the bit here. See? Alright, hold on there. Right. So, this is the chuck here. You coming out, you pull this lever here and facing the other direction, so you're making a 180 and I'll lock the chuck so it can come out. When you're ready to take it out, make a 180 and the bit could come out. So I will grease up the bit in this area. So this is how the machine working. So there's the extreme jackhammer here. I'm now trying to get the cable, the cord, and plug it. So you get a nice long cord. You get a nice long cord. Have a nice height to go with it. So you feel comfortable when you're using it. So this is the unboxing here for the Extreme Power US jackhammer. As I said, you get a flat, a star, glasses, dust mask, gloves, whatever direction from the manual, holders, spanner. You also get some Allen keys for parts in the unit if it have to tighten when it shakes out itself. So other than that, when I start to use it, I will put up a video also of it in use and I'll give you a feedback on that. So this is NJ Plumbing Tech, over and out.